This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by wiring and powering safely. First, connect the GPS VCC to 3V, ground both devices, then cross TX and RX, GPS TX to Pi RX, GPO15, GPS RX to Pi TX, GPO14. Once done, double-check pins against the Pi header diagram and ensure the module ground is shared. Make sure the Pi is off while you attach wires to avoid damage. This prevents level mismatch and establishes the physical serial link you'll use for data. You now configure the Pi to accept GPS serial data. Use sudo raspi-config to disable the serial console and enable the serial port hardware. Reboot when prompted. Then install GPSD and GPSD clients and configure GPSD to point at /dev/serial0 or /dev/tty/ama0 with the correct baud rate for your module. Once done, restart GPSD and check permissions so your user can access the serial device. This lets software read NME sentences. You finish by validating the fix and handling common failures. Run CGPS or GPSMON to watch NME sentences and satellite positions. If you see no data, make sure TX/RX aren't straight through, confirm baud matches the module, and verify stable 3V power. If issues persist, check DMESC and GPSD logs for device errors. Try a USB serial adapter to rule out Pi header problems. One key tip: swap TX/RX and test with a known good power source before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.